videos.
Yo, what is up, guys? Long time no see. Shit. As you can see, we're at the track, man. I am here with my boy Richie. He has his Civic, B20 Civic right now. He just went to the dyno. He is making, I think he said 7 something and 600 torque on a B20. Yo, on a B20, 700 horsepower and 600 torque to the wheels. It's fucking insane. But anyways, it's good seeing you guys again, man. It's been a while. Just a little update. Bertha is currently being worked. Man, it was about 5 or 6 weeks until I could literally do anything with the car. There was just so much business from you guys, and I greatly appreciate the support. But anyways, you guys see me with my glasses and a hat. You probably never see me like. All right, but anyways, like I said, here with my boy Richie and some other guys. I think he is getting teched in right now, getting his license. He got a beautiful car. I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but I forgot what year it is. It is an EG, or no, it's an EK hatch. Like I said, B20. He just got it fully redone, turbo, all that shit. You know what? Let me pop the hood for you guys real quick. If I can find that shit. I don't get into these cars very much. Let's see what happens here. I might get ran over back here. But he got a carbon fiber trunk and everything. What the fuck is he doing? Hold on, let me help this. Anybody ever see a slow Civic? Here's one right here. No, but seriously, guys, I believe he's running in the 10s. I think he wants to see high 9s, and the car can do it. That's what he did before. I don't know if I ever talked to you guys about him, but that's Rich. He's the one kneeling down in front of the slick right now. But back in the day, he had a red EK hatch, B20, damn near the same setup on a turbo, and he ran high 9s. And on one pass, he let off on the top end. Back end got squirrely, and he put it in the wall. That car had frame damage, so he had to scrap that, and he went to this girl right here, damn near the same setup. Just got it together, so we're here. We're gonna help him out and see what he can do. But it's a beautiful car. It's put together really nice. Paint's beautiful, and like I said, he just dynoed, put down like 740 and like 600 torque, which is, I call people on bullshit, dude. Like, if you throw something at me and I think it's wrong, I'm gonna speak my mind, especially if I know something about it. And 600 torque, 740 horsepower and 600 torque on a B20 seems a little high to me. But we'll see, man. You know, the track says a lot, so we'll see. What size slicks are those? 24 and a half? By what? By 9, 10?
By 8.5, I think.
8.5, damn, they're tiny. What ones are they? Race Masters?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's see how they hook. You've used
9.5.
You used them before? 9.5? That sounds better.
Yeah, 9.5.
So what, 24.5 by 9.5 by 15?
Yeah, 13s.
Oh, the 13. Damn, bro. It's like little fucking go-kart wheels.
Yeah, the next bite.
Oh, shit. All right. All right, what'd you say you wanted to run today? We're gonna do a couple shakedowns, right?
Yeah, we're gonna probably run our own gate. And hopefully be around 11s.
11s? All right.
And depending how we go.
Start notching it down from there?
Depending how we go, we might turn it up.
Yeah. All right, all right. Well, you heard it from the man himself. Let's see what we can do. 86. Look what I spotted. C8. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Man, these cars do look good. They do look good. Oh, 11.2 at 118 for the C8 Corvette. I don't know if you see them, man. They look good. Oh yeah, they look good, man. I can't wait. I think a few people have already started upgrading their clutches. I think there's only one company in the country right now doing the upgraded dual clutches on here. I forgot her name on YouTube, but she's making, I think, 1,000 plus now. That was holding her back for a while. So, dude, I mean, once once the aftermarket gets going with these, they're gonna be insane, man. Nobody's gonna be able to touch them. This is interesting, a Magnum. Wonder if you got the 5.7 or the 6.2. Maybe the 6.4. If he's NA, it should be the 6.4. Oh man, and you know I gotta take this friggin' beautiful NSX. This guy, I think it's lowered. Yeah, he gotta be lowered, but man, beautiful. People complain about these cars, but they're so quick with the electric trans or the electric motors. It's not even funny, guys. It's not even funny. Got some nice ass coyotes. Oh, this is beautiful though. This is beautiful. Is this the brand new GT500? This thing is nice. Huh?
He's saying if I go on this side, just be pro tree. He said I could go on that side too.
You want to go on that side?
You think it's gonna move faster?
On a pro tree?
Okay.
Yeah, I think so. Why don't you, dude, you're not that far away, so just run here and then flip over to that side when you get to the end. And then if you run anything under an 11, we're gonna put you in the winner's circle right there. All right.
Because I'm a winner.
I'm a winner. If I could ever afford it, you guys. Pop up. Uh-oh. That doesn't sound good. That doesn't sound good. How many did they let out here? There we go. Go on, stay in it. Take it, let out. 13.8 at 64. He let out after 1,000. He let out way early, but he was moving. He was moving. It wasn't bad. Huh?
He did a 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, yeah. I think he let out the 1,000.
Yeah.
Just roll through. No, that wasn't bad at all. I believe he did a 1.5 or a 1.4 60 foot. I'll have to connect with him, but that's what I saw on the scoreboard. But he did a 1, 2, 3 and let out at the 1,000 foot. But if you saw from the video, I mean, it was a good launch. It was a good 60 foot. It was a pretty good run, and then he just let out at the back half. So okay, not terrible. He did a 1.7 to the 60 foot. Like I said, he only went to the 8th, and he did a 7.6. He's on a super light tune right now, so I think he's gonna step it up, go a little harder on the launch, and see what he does. But I mean, not bad at all. I just had to come over and look at. Is it a Samurai or is it a Samurai? All right, man. Perfect. I don't feel retarded for asking now. Yo, this is so clean, man. I know you got a ton of time in this thing. This thing is awesome, dude. Look at this fucking thing. So it is the Suzuki Samurai, but look at this shit. I mean, this man got so much time in this thing. This is awesome. Got the box there. The paint job alone is just absolutely beautiful. What motor are you guys running? What motor? What? 350. 350? Nice. Got the turbo. Woo! Twin turbo? Oh yeah. Yep, twins. You got twin turbo? Beautiful. Beautiful. Me no habla español, so my dumb ass had to walk away. I don't speak much Spanish, and they don't speak much English, but he got the point, Suzuki Samurai, and we're like, yes it is. That thing was fucking nuts. So he got a 350, I believe it's a Chevy small block, twin turbo. Bet you that thing flies, dude. I haven't told many people on the channel yet, but I have something kind of similar to that. So after our Accord race car is done, so I'm sure you guys seen it, go back a few videos. I have got a 05 Accord, which we're gonna swap out to the 0607 rear tail and trunk lid. So got that's gonna be our first race car, and we're gonna do a bunch of R&D. So basically the way Bertha is, we came up through the years testing Bertha. We're gonna do the same thing with the new race car. I don't have a name for her yet, but we're gonna do NA first. We're probably gonna start with a J30, J32, NA, then work our way up to nitrous. Then of course we have our supercharger kit, guys. We have our supercharger kit, guys, and I have not forgot about it. It's on the back burner. Just a lot of funds had to go towards stocking and inventory. If you guys want to support us, go to patreon.com/HalferLand Performance. All proceeds go 100% to R&D and the supercharger kit. Or if you want to just simply support us, go to our Patreon, which is HalferLand@gmail.com, and we greatly appreciate it, guys, because any funds would help to get that project moving again. We've done quite a bit of R&D. We have some CAD drawings that we've already paid for. Basically, it's just finding a supplier for the metal. We already have our CNC guy who does our pulleys, our EGR block offs, among other things he's done for us. So we already have a CNC guy. So literally, guys, we just need funding for basically to get the project moving again with material, you know. So that's it for now. All right, we got Rich coming back up. There we go. Let's go, Richie. All right, I think we left the tire pressure exactly where it was before. He said when he comes into power, when it comes into boost, it starts pulling a little bit to the right. So let's see what he does. Getting him staged. Like I said, he's not at the full 700, 600. The man can drive, baby. I don't fuck with people that can't drive. There we go. Come on, run it out. He's running it out. Oh, broke up a little bit. Woo! 11.2 at 120. 11.2 at 120. Not bad. Not bad to start. Got some 2.0 Accord Sports. Are they 2.0 or 2.2? I forgot. I think they're 2.0. Yeah, 2.0. Look nice, man. They're not bad. Got them with some wheels. Oh, they look good with some wheels. That's not bad. Not bad at all. I like it with the wheels. Let's check out this engine bay. So it should look like a Type R engine bay. If you remember, if you go back a couple videos, my buddy Trent, we raced his Type R. So they look damn near identical in the engine bays. I don't know if you can see up in there. But I don't ever plan on fucking with this, guys, because I'm gonna wait for the TLX Type S to come out. And that's gonna be the V6 turbocharged, bro, because all-wheel drive, so the SH all-wheel drive. Once we get our hands on that thing, it's gonna be nasty, bro. And if I could buy it as my daily driver and do some R&D on it, there you go, stay in it. Stay in it, boy. That's a pass. Stay in it. Woo! 10.5 at 123. Woo-hoo-hoo! 10.5 at 123. Go, baby. 10.5 at 123. Each pass it goes down to half a second, half a second. That's my boy. You're my boy, Richie. Ooh, boy, look at that green C8. Oh, there's Cletus in his little marquee. Look at that. We got Cletus right there. I didn't even know he was there. Alright. I forgot what he's done to his marquee. Honestly, guys, you guys have kept me so damn busy. Blew the tires off. Like I was saying, honestly, guys, you've kept me so damn busy. I haven't even been able to keep up with his channel and shit. Boost the boys, none of them. Just been doing my shit. And clear is moving. Woo! 807 at 164. Here comes the rotary. Listen to that. Oh my God. Can you say rotary? I don't know how well you guys hear that, but that means it's da 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 da. Oh, there you go. Da 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 da. All that noise for nothing. Nothing. I think he missed. I think he missed fourth. 10.3 at 122.
That's a better time.
10.3 at 122. Yeah, that's not bad at all. 10.3 at 122 on 16 pounds of boost. He's not even turned up yet. I believe when he dynoed 740, 6 something to the wheels yesterday, he was on 26 or 27 pounds of boost. So he still has another 10 pounds of boost. Ran at 10.3. He's easily back into the 9s, probably lower than what he was before, because he was a 9.9 or a 9.8 with his ready. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video, short and sweet. Hope you enjoyed seeing us right out here. But anyways, if you need J-Series parts, as always, check us out at HondaJSeriesEngine.com. You can check out our online store. If you need any help with specifics like specs, spark plug gapping, go to our Q&A page on HondaJSeriesEngine.com. And like I said, guys, if you want to support our supercharger project that we have going on, you can find us at HalferLand or patreon.com/HalferLand Performance, or you can just send it directly to our PayPal, which is HalferLand@gmail.com. If you guys have any questions, reach out to us via email. Please do not Facebook message us or Instagram message us, because we do not check them. I know a lot of guys got upset with us because of, like, you don't message us. Yeah, bro, it's a personal account on my Facebook. IG, I just simply don't have time. That's the post. Keep you guys updated in real time. We funnel all of our inquiries through email, HalferLand@gmail.com.